All right, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So what I got right here in front of me on the right is a 2017 C7 Z06. Now, you guys have seen this car on the channel before. The only modification that this car has is an intake, and that's it. There's no tune, and it is on the 8-speed automatic transmission. Now, you know what, these cars weigh a little over 3,500 pounds. And it's me running up against this 2020 Audi RS3. Now, you guys have seen this Nardo gray one on the channel before. This one is pretty much full bolt-ons. It's got upgraded intake, turbo inlet, downpipe, midpipe, and intercooler kit. And it's on a Unitronics E85 tune. Now, these cars are around 3,600 pounds, and they're all-wheel drive. So I really think this is going to be a very, very good race. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I'm in the Z06, and the first roll we're going to be doing is from 50 miles an hour. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh boy. Ah, the 5th gear. Wow, that was close. Good race. All right, guys, round 2 from 40 miles an hour. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Guys, we're gonna do that 40 one more time for round 3 so we can get a little bit of extra room, so maybe the Z06 can catch up, hopefully. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Slow down, we went over 160. Really good races, guys, really good. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Later.